Welcome. In this video I will show you how to record screen on your Ideapad C340 laptop. So you basically have two options of starting a screen recording. The first one is using a combination of keys of Windows, Shift and R. Just press them all simultaneously. And the second option is just using a single print screen button over here. Either way, you get transferred, or rather there's a menu bar opening at the top of our screen in which you have to select a screen recording feature, then select an area of your screen that you want to be recorded like that. So you just hold down the left key of your mouse and then drag it down to the edge of your screen, so that you select an area in which you want the recording to be started. And to start a recording, you just have to press this button, and then let's let the snipping tool access our microphone. So as you can see, the recording is started, and by default it doesn't use our microphone. So to unmute our microphone, press over here. It uses our system audio, so system sounds, but if you want to disable it, you can just click right here. You can of course pause the video, you can stop it, you can delete it without saving by pressing over here, and you can of course access all the videos you recorded in the folder, which is located right here in videos in File Explorer. Right now it's empty, but once we stop recording the video, just by pressing this red square button, you can see Windows tells us that we can find it in our screen recordings folder. And here we go. Here is our newly created screen recordings folder. Let's just open the video. And as you can see, everything is pretty much visible over here. Everything that I did, like opening a folder. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.